What's the meaning of Betty Boop? Betty Boop. Betty Boop.
Betty Boop. Betty Boop. Betty Boop is a cartoon character created in the 1930s by Max Fleischer. She is known for her playful and flirtatious demeanor, large eyes, and distinctive high-pitched voice. Betty Boop was one of the first fully animated characters to be recognized as a sex symbol, and her popularity led to many merchandise products being produced, including dolls, clothing, and toys. The name Betty Boop itself has become synonymous with a certain type of feminine charm, and is often used to describe women who are sweet, vivacious, and playful. Despite her controversial history, she remains an icon of American popular culture to this day.